Applause, dissent. Applause means वाहवाही and dissent means असहमति means disagreement. So the following words descriptive of the approbation or dissent of an audience should be enclosed between large parentheses. First word is here. So for here we use the hook of H and downward R. H and R. Here. Next, here and here. Here or here. So he, and here. Here. So here and then again R. Here. Next, no. So we simply use N stock. Next is no. Then no. Sensation, S and shun, hook. So sensation. Applause, chair. Next, cheers. Then is laughter. So L and F, laughter. Okay. Next is uproar. Up and roar. Double length of R. Next, he says. He and says. Large circle of S. He says. The adjective or adjectives descriptive of the kind of applause must be written after the first word. For example, what would be described as loud and continued applause would be loud, continued applause would be written in reporting how we write. So first applause, then loud and continued, T and D, continued. Okay, after the first word, for example, this is applause, then loud and continued in reporting.